I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by mounting Drive so your dataset is accessible. This avoids repeated uploads. Run Drive, mount /content/Drive and authenticate with the provided link. Once done, list the target folder and confirm file types. Images must be JPG or PNG for most loaders, so you know what loader to use. Make sure to pip install required libraries because a mismatch causes runtime errors. Finally, set a base path variable. This single string will simplify every subsequent file call. Now you build a reliable file index. Use glob or OS. Walk to collect image paths and map labels from folder names. You do this so batching and shuffling work cleanly. Next, preview 8 to 12 samples with Matplotlib. Visually check label correctness and aspect ratios. If sizes vary, apply a consistent resize or center crop. Doing this early prevents shape errors in training. Finally, create transforms or preprocessing pipelines. They standardize inputs and speed up debugging later. You finalize by converting lists into dataset objects and data loader with an appropriate batch size. This controls memory and throughput. Once you validate a training step, save the processed dataset, use PT, NPZ, or TF record, so you skip preprocessing next time. Then run training or inference and sync checkpoints to Drive to avoid data loss. If something fails, check the mounted path and file permissions first. This single check resolves most missing file or permission errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.